Hi everyone, I am back. It was a really great summer. My husband and I, for the second year in a row, went out in our RV. This year we stayed gone for over 4 months. Thank you for your patience. A lot of you have been asking me to update the videos. Did I revert back to having my mom's neck? Is that still nice, firm, and snatched? And yes, it is. There's been a few other things that I have been doing since I've gone back that have really made a difference in just tightening that skin and strengthening those muscles. I have been hitting that gym, but today my priority is to get through this video of an update to my DIY anti-aging face and body oil. You know, I went on this kick last year to see what naturally I could do to help my skin. And in the first 3 months, I had a considerable change. What was I doing to make those changes? I really think it was the gua sha and this DIY face oil that I was using with the gua sha. I was very consistent with it. And let me say, consistency has been my superpower this year. If you're going to do anything, if you're going to invest your time in this, then do it consistently. I tried several different products. I went down that rabbit hole because I wanted to see, were they going to make a difference? Let me tell you, friends, none of them made it in the RV with me. I don't have time for that. The thing that worked the most, the thing that felt the best on my skin, the thing that made my skin look the best, and that is this oil. So if you are watching this video and you've made it to this point thinking, gosh, just give me the recipe already, I'm coming to it. It's more than likely because you needed to watch this video. There's something about you and I that is going to click. So keep watching, subscribe, hit that button, do whatever it takes, but keep watching because that's why I'm here. I'm here to reach you and share some things that really helped me that are going to help you. And because it helps you, I know you're going to share it with another friend. And that's how this works. That's how we as women just make the world a little bit better place. And so here we go. Make sure you use a dark colored glass bottle to store your oil in. It's just going to stay longer and perform better. So you'll want to start with vegetable glycerin 16 ounces, aloe vera 12 ounces, vitamin E oil 6 ounces, castor oil 4 ounces, grapeseed oil 1/3 cup or 2.67 ounces. Fractionated coconut oil 6 ounces, rosehip oil 4 ounces, almond oil 4 ounces, and then I start adding the drops of essential oils. I do use myrrh 16 drops, Australian sandalwood 25 drops. This stuff is amazing. Vanilla essential oil 16 to 20 drops. Frankincense essential oil 16 to 20 drops. Lemongrass essential oil 16 drops. Arnica essential oil 16 to 20 drops. Turmeric essential oil 10 to 16 drops. And horse chestnut essential oil 10 to 16 drops. Here's my pro tip. Shake your oil every time before you use it. If you want the links to the products that I use, just check the description box. I even put in a handy dandy printout sheet you can click on with links for the products I buy from Amazon. Let me know what you think. I cannot wait to hear about all your amazing results. And don't forget to share. Girlfriends need to share.